everyone, and welcome back to another video. So, is there a surprise for me? It's supposed to have the slime package from Cutie Slimes, and her channel is Elisa TV on the description. So, I just want to open it. Let's just open it. Mystery slime box. So it has a little sticker of Italy here. So here we go. Oh, I see the box. Oh, it's very heavy. What the hell is this box? I'm just gonna show you. Cutie Slimes. 2 Van Slime? She writes the name of my slime shop and not the name of my channel. Why my slime shop is so weird? 2 Vans Slime. What is that? So there's too much scotches. So I'm gonna just take that out. So here's all the scotches. Ew. Ready, set, go. You guys can only see inside, not me. Oh, okay. Here I can see. Oh, it's so cute. So let's just read it. Game time. The instructions are here. Note. Read before opening the slimes. Okay. Warning. The slimes could be sticky, so be careful. When you touch the slimes in the box, there is a pack of borax and a baby oil. That's very cute and nice. So we should play the game before opening the slime. So here's the games. So we have extra, and oh, I saw the activator and baby oil here. So here, okay, so extra is in the box, so I'm just gonna unpack it later because I should play the game first. Take that out. Now that I took this out, it's a little piece of papers. I don't know what is that, but let's just read it. Guys, I think I forgot because I was too excited. We should read this inside. Oh. Okay, she said to pick the numbers, and then the number I got, I just take the slime. So I got 5, so I'm gonna take the 5th slime, the smallest one. Okay, so let's cut it. The slime is like this. We have opened it. There's too much paper and plastic. So let's just open it. Oh wow, it smells so good. I think it's lemon slime. We're extra, so she didn't say, but I think it's a lemon slime. I don't even know if lemon slime exists, but I just say lemon slime. So the next one. So I got 4. It's like this, so let's see. So the slime says toy inside, and fluffy slime is a fluffy slime. Okay, so I'm trying to find a toy inside. So I just try to find a toy. Whoa, I found it. It's a bird. Okay, now that I have unboxed all the slimes, look how messy. So I have cleaned a little bit, but that's not very good. Here's all the slimes and all the toys. So there were 3 toys, but the last one I couldn't take off because this is the sticky slime, the pink metallic slime. So watch part 2 if you want to see the toys. Bye!